In the beautiful kingdom of Florencia, there lived a kind and adventurous princess named Chloe. The kingdom was known for its lush gardens and vibrant flowers, but none was more special than the Enchanted Garden, which bloomed only when people were kind to one another. One day, Princess Chloe noticed that the Enchanted Garden was beginning to wither, the flowers drooped, and the once vibrant colors faded. Chloe knew something had to be done to save the garden and restore its magic. Chloe sought advice from the wise old gardener, Mr. Thistle. He told her that the garden thrived on the kindness and compassion of the kingdom's people. Recently, selfishness and unkindness had spread, causing the garden to wither. Determined to save the Enchanted Garden, Princess Chloe decided to embark on a quest to spread kindness and compassion throughout the kingdom. She believed that by inspiring her people to be kind, the garden would bloom once more. Chloe's journey began in the village square, where she saw a child crying because he had lost his toy. She comforted the child and helped him find his toy, showing everyone the power of a small act of kindness. Next, Chloe visited a nearby farm where the crops were struggling. She gathered the villagers to help the farmer water and tend to the fields. Together, they worked hard and brought life back to the farm, demonstrating the strength of community. And Chloe then organized a grand feast in the castle courtyard, inviting everyone in the kingdom. She encouraged people to share their food and stories, fostering a sense of unity and generosity. In the town, Chloe found two friends who had argued and stopped talking to each other. She listened to both sides and helped them see each other's perspectives. Through her compassionate mediation, the friends reconciled, and their bond grew stronger. While exploring a remote village, Chloe met an elderly woman who lived alone and struggled to get by. Chloe and the villagers gathered resources and built a new home for her, showing that generosity and care can change lives. As Chloe continued her journey, she noticed that the Enchanted Garden began to show signs of life. The flowers started to perk up, and colors slowly returned, indicating that the kingdom's kindness was making a difference. Chloe learned of a neighboring kingdom in need of help. Despite the long journey, she led a group of volunteers to assist them, spreading kindness beyond her own kingdom's borders. The act of helping the neighboring kingdom strengthened the bond between the two lands. The unity and cooperation fostered peace and prosperity, further nourishing the Enchanted Garden. Upon her return, Chloe found the Enchanted Garden in full bloom. The flowers were more vibrant than ever, and the air was filled with their sweet fragrance. The garden had been restored, reflecting the kindness and compassion of the people. The kingdom celebrated Chloe's success with a grand festival. Music, dancing, and laughter filled the air as everyone rejoiced in the beauty of the Enchanted Garden and the spirit of kindness that had taken root in their hearts. Princess Chloe reflected on her journey and the lessons she had learned. She realized that kindness and compassion not only restored the garden, but also strengthened the bonds between people, creating a happier and more united kingdom. And so Princess Chloe taught her people that kindness and compassion bring beauty and life to the world. When we treat others with kindness, we create a more vibrant and joyful community. A moral of the story: kindness and compassion bring beauty and life to the world. When we treat others with kindness, we create a more vibrant and joyful community.